Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out and just creating a look with the Amrezy palette from Anastasia. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So I just bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy palette. This is so pretty. So like, it's actual glitter on the packaging, like it's on my hands. So it comes with a brush, which I don't really ever use them, so put it away. And then this is what the palette itself looks like. Super pretty. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, that Anastasia shade, oh my gosh, that is pretty. It's like a golden pinky color. So I heard that it's supposed to be a new formula for Anastasia for some of the shades. I think it's Barb, Liddy, maybe Gemini, but it's like supposed to be a pressed glitter. Ooh, bitch. I definitely think I want to use Barb. Yeah. Ooh, but wasted. That's pretty. Okay. Let's just get into this. Fuck, I have no clean brushes. I didn't think this through. Okay, let me zoom in, because you probably want to see the face closer. All right, I think for first, I'm gonna go in, let's go in with, do you want New Yorker? Let's do New Yorker. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. Let's just do this. It's a Morphe M513. It is stained pink, but it's fine. All right, I'm gonna use, okay. I can't be this close, I'm sorry. The palette gets in the way. Okay, I'm going to put that in the crease. Oh, I love Anastasia eyeshadows. Okay, I went a little too heavy-handed. It's okay, it's okay. It'll be fine. Oh my God, it'll be fine. Yeah, I did forget how pigmented they are. Just gotta make this side match. Oh my gosh. These are super pigmented. I don't know why, but for some reason I feel like they're more pigmented than their typical shadow. At least this one. Like, I feel like I barely had any on my product or on my brush, and it just like, okay. Okay, I see you. All right, let's go. Since I'm gonna do more of the pinky tone, let's go with, oh, I'm gonna say this so wrong. Simsa? That shade. We're gonna take another brush. This is the Morphe M505. I'm gonna put that in the crease as well, just try to do it a little lower. And I'm gonna use this to pretty much deepen up the shade. I really should be using a smaller brush than this. This is pretty thick, or pretty fluffy compared to that. I'm out of clean brushes, okay? I'm gonna be truthful. I'm out of clean brushes and I'm too lazy to go clean them. So you work with what you got, okay? Okay, these are definitely more pigmented than their past shadows. Like, holy crap. Wow, I swear I'm not putting much on my brush and it's just so pigmented. Oh my gosh, I love this color. I'm not a pink person normally, especially for eyeshadow, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, let's actually, yeah, I'm gonna use the brush that came in it and use the more dense side. And I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Yugo, the really dark brown. It's not the black, and that's abnormal. I'm used to a palette having the black at the end, but we're gonna go in with a tiny bit. And just put that in the crease just to deepen it up a little bit more. But I really want to stay true to the pink purple shade. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in with the Simsa and blend it out. You know what, we need some brushes. I don't care if they're not clean, we'll figure it out. Okay, for the lower lash line, let's take Simsa as well. I'm going to use this on a Morphe E18 brush. We're going to blend it onto the lower lash line. Oh, lovely. I think there was black on this brush. This is why I need to clean them. Oops, let's make this side match. Oh yeah, there's totally a different color on this. Oops. Okay, fix our mistakes, it's fine. Dang, I need a clean brush. Gosh, why do I do this to myself? You know what? Let's just use the other side of the Anastasia brush that it came with. It's fine. We'll just try to be careful. You know, you gotta work with what you got, okay? Apparently there is purple on that shade, or on that brush. What in the fuck just happened? Do you see this? It just like randomly went everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my. What just happened to this eye? It's like it just flicked off. Well, frick, I need something. I need a makeup remover. And there's none near me. I've got water. What just happened? I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to fix this. Just give me a minute. Okay, salvaged it a little bit. So let's go ahead and just do the lid shade. I don't know what the heck just happened there. And I think it's because I'm testing out a concealer. So on this side, I didn't set the eye, but I set this side. So I'm wondering if that had anything to do with it. Anyways, so now we're gonna go in with Barb, which is this shade, because she's a Barb. If you don't know what that means, I'm sorry. I'm deciding if I should use a brush. Let's try to use a brush first. So this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH42. We're gonna try to use it. I don't think it's gonna work very well, but oh, doesn't work that well, but holy crap, that's a pretty color. I'm still gonna try to use it. I'm just like patting it and like dragging a little bit in the pan since it's kind of a pressed glitter. I think it actually is. Oh my gosh. Ugh. All right, we're using my finger. I just can't. Especially because I cut my nails down. I can use it now. Oh, that's so pretty. And I just got it everywhere, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. Kind of got it in other areas that I didn't want it. All right, that goes everywhere. So, if you don't want it all over your face like me, maybe put a glitter glue down first. But, you know, I love glitter, so I have no problem with it going everywhere. Let me make the other eye match real quick. That is such a pretty shade. Oh my gosh, I love the reflex it gives. Okay, is Wasted shimmery at all? Not really, no. I'm actually just gonna use a highlighter to highlight, so I'm gonna go ahead and use something that's pink. So I have the Laura Geller Diamond Dust highlighter, which is pink toned. Oh my gosh. So it's like got a pink reflex. So I'm gonna use that to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone because there's not really a color in the palette I would use. Ooh. And I want it to go with pink theme. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and lips off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my lips and lashes are done. I don't wanna talk about the lips. It literally took me 20 minutes to go through my collection and realize I really don't have anything that goes with this. So this is the closest we have, which is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Holy Chic and Buxom's White Russian lip gloss. That was the closest combination I have. And it doesn't really look that good. So we're not gonna talk about it. What we are gonna talk about is this palette. This is amazing. I love it. Like, I don't know what Anastasia did with their mattes, but they are so much more pigmented. And then I love this shade, the Pressed Glitter. Now, it is everywhere on my face, like everywhere. So if that bugs you, just use a glitter glue. I don't really care, so I'm fine with this. But I think this palette is amazing. It is $49, so it is a little pricey, but I'm pretty sure that's actually what they all retail for Anastasia. But I think it is definitely worth it, and it's a great palette, and it's got a good good variety. Because I feel like, let me stop. I feel like you can make neutral looks with this, but then you also have your pops of color. So I think this is a really nice palette, and I definitely recommend it. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. My lips are freaking tingling because of the stupid Buxom lip gloss. But yeah, that is all I have for this video, so I will see you in the next one.